this is how you can change the cell background color in Google Docs. So let's say I want to change the background color for this particular cell. What I need to do is just to place the cursor right on top of this cell, and then you will see this new menu appear on the toolbar. Click on the menu that says background color, and you can pick any color you want. You can also select a custom color if you know the code, but I'm going to choose some color that's available on the preset. Let's say I'm going to pick this light yellow, and I think it looks great. But do keep in mind that it is better to have or use lighter color because you want to make sure that the text or the content remains visible. However, what if you want to apply background color to multiple cells in the table? Well, the process is the same, except you have to select the cells that you want to change the color. So I'm going to change the cell color for this section, and I'm going to select those cells. After that, the process is the same. Just go to this menu again, and then you can change the color. And that's basically it. That's how you can change the background color of a cell in Google Docs.